But what we're gonna do today is give Christina and really show Christina step by step how to achieve the perfect wash and go for her hair texture. She has this beautiful shape already. The only thing we're gonna do as far as the wash and go is concerned is really bring out her natural curl pattern. And then after she dries, we're gonna style it. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna give her a great, luxurious cleansing. Really allow the water to hydrate the hair. You can see those curls starting to pop out already. And we're gonna use a no suds cleanser, and that's just a shampoo that has absolutely no lather. I start detangling the hair with my fingers while using this cleanser. We're getting that hair really juicy and detangled. You cannot do this with a cleanser that has suds. Because suds dry the hair out, the hair starts to tangle up and shrink up tight. With cream-based cleansers, you can do this. The more you rinse and condition the hair, the better your curls are. Now the conditioner we're gonna use is gonna soften it up even more to bring out even more curl. Lather up with conditioner. Don't be shy. Water and conditioner is what is gonna bring that curl pattern out. I like to start at the ends of the hair and work my way up. When you use things that have lather or dry the hair out, it really kind of shrinks the hair up, makes it really tight. As soon as you rinse that conditioner out, add your styling product. Styling product will never make someone's hair curly. It's only going to hold the curl that you give it. It's kind of like in between a cream and a gel. And we're just gonna add it all over her hair. Put it up in there. Don't let the hair dry out. You want the hair to be juicy, not sticky. Sometimes even after putting product in, I'll add a little bit more water to it to help me just really slip it through the hair really good. And I really am just checking to make sure that we have product covering all her beautiful curls. You don't want to start to dry with your hair tight up here. You want it to start elongated because it's going to shrink anyway. So start with it elongated so it doesn't shrink so much and you have some nice full hair. Now, if you're doing this at home in the shower, this is the part where maybe you want to step out of the shower and you'll flip your head over the tub or in the shower and you'll shake the hair out to kind of create some individual soft curls. Styling product will never make someone's hair curly. It's only going to hold the curl that you give it. Stretch. It's not stiff. She can shake it.